Hey everyone, welcome back. If your desk setup looks clean but still sounds like a phone speaker from 2010, it's time for an upgrade. Today, we're counting down the top 6 best slim PC soundbars compact enough to sit under your monitor, but powerful enough to bring your workspace, gaming, or Netflix nights to life. We're talking about soundbars that don't just look sleek, they punch way above their size in sound quality. So, whether you're chasing crisp dialogue for work calls or deep bass for your late-night playlists, one of these is going to fit you perfectly. Let's dive straight into number 6. Number 6. The Soulion R100 is one of those little underdogs you almost underestimate until it starts playing. Picture this, a slim 16-inch bar glowing softly with rainbow LED light beneath your monitor. Not just for looks, it gives your whole setup that cozy gamer vibe. Setup is basically plug and play. Just hook the USB into your PC or laptop, and boom, instant sound. No drivers, no drama. You can also switch to Bluetooth mode with one click, making it easy to stream from your phone or tablet. What really wins people over is how clean and balanced it sounds. The highs are crisp, dialogue is crystal clear, and there's just enough bass to keep movies and music from feeling flat. You won't shake the desk, but for everyday use, it's solid. One reviewer said it perfectly. It's not top of the line, but for the price, it's kind of fantastic. That's the 100 Rand in a nutshell. For under $30, it's the easiest instant upgrade for any laptop or desktop. Now sure, it's not meant for blasting your entire room. Maxing out the volume can bring a little distortion, and the build feels lightweight. But at this size and price, it's hard not to be impressed. In short, the Soulion R100 is for anyone who wants plug-and-play simplicity, Bluetooth freedom, and a bit of style, all without breaking the bank. Number 5. Assistrust KY8000, the Transformer Soundbar. If you've ever wished your PC speaker could shapeshift, this one literally does. The Assistrust KY8000 is a 2-in-1 design that can either stay as one long, sleek bar or split into 2 vertical speakers. It's like having surround flexibility without the messy wiring. Inside, it's pushing 80 watts of sound, powered by 4 high-performance drivers. That's a serious boost in volume and clarity for this price range. Movie mode spreads the sound across the room, while music mode gives punchier lows and more texture. Dialogue-focused news mode? Perfect for podcasts or YouTube binge sessions. One of the coolest parts is how it handles placement. Lay it flat under your monitor or stand the 2 pieces tall on each side. Either way, it turns your setup into a mini home theater. The sound itself leans bright and lively, with good stereo separation and a surprisingly strong bass thump for something so small. One buyer called it a game changer for my 19-year-old Sony Bravia. Another said it worked so well vertically that it felt like a full stereo wall. Now, a few trade-offs. The cables are a little short, and the plastic build won't fool anyone into thinking it's premium aluminum. But if you're after flexibility, loud sound, and affordability, this one's a hidden gem. The KY8000 proves you don't need to spend big to get creative design and solid performance in one package. Number 4. Moving up, the Bluedee SK020 is what happens when portability meets punch. It's compact enough to fit under your monitor, yet powerful enough to fill your workspace with 20 watts of audio. This little guy runs on a rechargeable 3,600 mAh battery, giving you around 5.5 hours of playback, no outlet required. Take it outside, move it between your office and living room, or use it on battery mode while streaming a show in bed. The SK020 connects to everything: Bluetooth 5.3, AUX, USB, and even TF cards. It's super versatile and perfect if you're someone who doesn't want to deal with cables every time. Now, sound-wise, Bluedee tuned this thing to balance clarity with punch. Vocals and instruments pop nicely, and even though the bass doesn't go super deep, it's tight and clean. The stereo imaging is also surprisingly good for a single slim bar. The design is simple, but elegant matte black finish, smooth controls, and a glowing blue LED dial that adds a touch of class to your setup. Of course, you'll notice it's not made for huge rooms. Push it too hard, and the sound starts to feel more local than spacious. But for desktop setups, dorm rooms, or minimalist living spaces, it's exactly what you want: small, sleek, and full of life. One reviewer summed it up perfectly: slim in size, but bigger in sound. Number 3. Now, this one's a bit of a surprise hit: the Bluedee SK300. While it looks modest, it hides dual bass radiators that give it a real sense of depth for its size. At 50 watts of output, it's one of the more powerful slim bars on the list, and you can actually feel the low-end presence in a small room. Setup is ridiculously easy. You've got Bluetooth, optical, and dual AUX options, and everything: cables, mounts, even a template comes in the box. It's designed to just work, and it does. Where this soundbar really shines is in its clarity and mid-range definition. Dialogue sounds distinct, movie effects come through with a nice spread, and music doesn't lose its energy. The DSP inside offers 3 EQ modes: movie, music, and news, each noticeably different, not just gimmicks. For small to medium rooms, this thing performs way above its weight. One RV owner said it was perfect for drowning out the air conditioner and still sounding full. That says a lot about its presence. Sure, it's not going to replace a subwoofer system when the bass drops. It can't shake the walls. But the tone stays warm and enjoyable, even at moderate volume. Think of the SK300 as the best budget performer: compact, stylish, and surprisingly confident. A no-hassle soundbar that makes every laptop or small TV feel instantly more premium. Number 2. Where things start to sound serious. The Chaowei Digital Basics S2 is a 37-inch slim powerhouse that brings 100 watts of output and dual built-in subwoofers to your setup. It's perfect for people who want a clean, minimal setup that just works: HDMI, ARC, optical, Bluetooth, AUX, USB, all the ports you could want. Plug it in, select your TV's PCM mode, and you're ready to go. The S2 has 4 EQ modes: movie, music, news, and symphony, and each one actually changes the way it sounds. Movie mode gives you balanced immersion, while symphony boosts highs and adds a more open tone for soundtracks. The clarity is what really sets this bar apart. Dialogue stands out beautifully, even during noisy action scenes. For under $100, that's impressive. It's also wall-mountable, super slim at just 2.5 inches tall, and comes with lifetime customer support, something you rarely see at this price point. Now, don't expect Dolby Atmos or DTS decoding this one's about clarity and balance, not overblown effects. Some users say the bass could go deeper, and the HDMI connection sometimes needs a PCM tweak to work perfectly, but once it's set, it's smooth sailing. For apartments, bedrooms, or anyone tired of muffled TV audio, the Chaowei S2 hits that perfect sweet spot between price and performance. It's like getting 80% of a high-end bar for 30% of the price. One customer said it best: it's a steal for under $100. Number 1. Finally, the number 1 spot goes to Yamaha SRB20A, and honestly, it earns every bit of it. Yamaha's been in the audio game for decades, and this slim soundbar proves why. It may look minimal, but inside it's packing built-in subwoofers, DTS Virtual X for 3D surround, and 120 watts of Class D power. This thing doesn't just play sound, it paints a soundstage. Dialogue sounds lifelike, effects move around you with space and dimension, and music has real body. Whether you place it on your desk or mount it under your TV, it instantly elevates the whole setup. With HDMI ARC, optical, and Bluetooth, switching between devices is seamless. Yamaha's Clear Voice mode boosts dialogue clarity without making it sound artificial, so you can finally watch a movie without turning on subtitles. And the 3D surround setting? It genuinely opens up the room, giving a taste of cinematic depth without extra speakers. The only weakness: the bass isn't wildly expressive. It hits hard, but not always with nuance. Still, for a single-bar system, it outperforms most slim soundbars anywhere near its size or price. Real users love it for everything from gaming setups to 82-inch living room TVs. One reviewer said, It fooled my ears into thinking the sound came from far off to the sides. That sums it up perfectly. The SRB20A is refined, powerful, and balanced the soundbar that makes you forget you're listening to a compact setup at all. And there you have it, 6 of the best slim soundbars you can get right now for your PC or small room setup. From the plug-and-play Soulion R100 to the modular Assistrust KY8000 to the mighty Yamaha SRB20A, there's something here for every kind of listener and every kind of budget. So, which one would you pick? Drop your choice in the comments. I read everyone. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next deep dive into smart tech that actually deserves your money. Until next time, keep your desk clean, your sound crisp, and I'll see you in the next one.